Hi everyone. Welcome to the Online Technical Institute. So in these sessions, I would like to explain about SQL commands. We have six different types of SQL commands. Okay. First one is DDL, Data Definition Language. So in this, we have a commands like a create, drop, alter, truncate. So we all these commands comes under data definition language only. So while creating the data sets or database, triggers, procedures, views, so we can use all these data definition language as well. So in the going forward classes, so we will be learning these commands. Okay. Now coming to the data manipulation language. So in this, so we can use insert, update, delete as well. Okay. So manipulating, deleted. So now coming to the data control language. So in this grant revoke, so database is related, we can use these two commands. Coming to the transactions control language. So commit, rollback, save point, we can use. So commit means if you if you want to roll back, so then better to use commit. Rollback means look like a control jet. Undo if you want whatever you deleted, whatever you done that activity. So you if you want to come back that activity, then we have to use rollback. Save point means it is saving the files. Okay. So now coming to the data query language. So in this we can use select query. By using the select query, we can do the like retrieving the records, filter the records, and lookups. All these things we can do in this data query language only. Now coming to the constraints. So in these constraints, we have a six syntax. So primary key, foreign key, check, unique, default, not null. So we will go through one by one. So why we are using primary key? Because to maintain the unique records, it won't require any null values. Then better to use primary key. Now coming to the foreign key. So this is the reference key only. So in case we have a two tables, so one is base file, another one is like a reference table. So in that second table, we can find out the foreign key for giant purpose. So all these things we will be learning in upcoming classes. Don't worry. Yeah. So check means in case if you while creating the any table or creating any columns, we can mention the conditions, check conditions like a greater than, less than. So whatever you want to mention the conditions, then we have to use check only. Now coming to the unique. So unique means in case it won't allow any duplicate values, it can maintain the only unique values only. So in this, it will allow the null values. Here, it won't allow the null values. What is the difference between primary key and unique key in most of the interviews may ask. So primary key means here also maintain the unique values. Here also maintain the value unique values. But here it won't allow the null values. Here it will allow the null values. That is a difference. Okay. Now coming to the default. So every time you wanted to fetch one of the record, either integer or character related. So no need to insert every time. So in that case, we have to use default. We can call it where we require. Then it will fetch automatically. So in that scenario, we have to use default statement only. Okay, not null. So any particular column. So you don't want to see any null values. So you want to give that conditions. Then we have to use not null condition only. Okay. Yeah. So all these functions in upcoming classes, we will be learning. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see here DML. DML nothing but a data manipulation language. So we can use insert, delete, update these functions. By using these functions, so we can manipulate the records as well. So coming to the transaction control language. So in this we can use commit, save point, rollback. So undo, redo, we can do all these things in this transaction control language as well. Now coming to the data control language. Data control nothing but a grant and revokes like a permissions related. So in case any, if we give the any access related, then we have to use data control language only. Okay. Now coming to the data definition language. So in this data definition language, so we can use all this create, truncate, drop, all these commands, right? So let me explain about data definition language, one of the function. Let me, or else let me explain about insert option. So let me, already we have created one table in the previous sessions. Let me take that one. So let me connect our database, use online tech institute. Let me connect. And as you can see here, I have connected here also Online Tech Institute. I have connected our database. Okay. So let me retrieve the table. Select start from. So online database. So in this, let me retrieve the employee info table. Okay, two columns. Sorry, not two columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there, and 2 rows are there. So in this, I want to insert one more record as well. How can we insert? By using the insert command, insert into. So which table? This table. Let me copy this table name completely and paste here values. Let me insert the values. So first one is employee. Let me enter the 33. Next, employee name. So under the employee name, let me mention the Rakesh. Now coming to the salary, let me mention the 36,000. Next job is, let me mention the analyst. Next phone number is, let me mention any phone number you can mention. Now coming to the department. So let me mention the all three as well. Let me check whether I'm able to insert or not this record. As you can see here, I have inserted successfully. One row affected. So let me retrieve the records. So by using this syntax, we can retrieve the records from the table. As you can see here, I have inserted successfully this record as well in this table. So like this, if you want to insert, we can insert the records. Okay. Now, if you want to add one more column here, so here as of now 6 columns are there. So if you wanted to add extra column, then we have to use alter command, alter table. Which table? In this table, right? So in this table, I want to add one new column. So let me mention the column name also, new column. And where character I want to take. So up to 50 characters I am taking. So let me execute it. As you can see here, commands completed successfully. Let me retrieve the records. So by using, already we have syntax. Let me retrieve the records. As you can see here, extra column added. But if you observe here, null values are there. So I want to replace the records in this place. How can we replace the records? Just we have to use update command. So by using the update command, we can mention this complete table name. Okay, by using the set options. So which column? New column. Under this new columns, let me update this record, first record. So this is character related. We can mention the quotation. In these quotations, we can mention any name or number or whatever it is. Okay. Based on filter, let me apply the where statement. So depart. So these record places, I want to update these null values. So let me mention 111. Let me check it. As you can see here, one row affected. So let me retrieve the records. We can check it. As you can see here, I have updated. So like this, if you want to update all these records, then we have to use this command as well. So in case if you want to, for example, here I have updated the 50 characters. So if you want to reduce the 50 characters to some 25 characters. So in that scenario, we have to use alter command. By using the alter function, we can modify the size as well. So alter column. So I want to modify the data types. So var up to 25 characters. Earlier I have taken 50. Now I have taken 25 only. So as you can see here, comments completed successfully. Now I have reduced this character length as well. So earlier I have taken 50 up to 50. Now this time 25 characters. Why I have taken 25 characters means I don't want to enter up to 50 characters, mobile numbers. So up to 10 digits, it's enough. But I have taken maximum 25 characters only. Okay. Yeah. Like this, if you want to modify the any data size related, then we have to use alter command. Apart from this, in case directly this column I want to delete because I don't require this column, so I want to delete. Again, we have to use alter command only. Let me copy this table name and paste here. So drop column. So column name is this column. I want to delete this column only. Let me check. As you can see here, no errors. Let me redo the records. We can check in the output. As you can see here, new column I have deleted. Okay, so hope you guys understood these concepts as of now, whatever I have explained so far. Yeah, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment sections. So I will explain you in upcoming classes as well. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for updates. We will see in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.